Are you looking for a reputable and trusted pest control company in Kent to take care of issues such as rats, cockroaches, bedbugs, wasps and birds at your property? Established in 2013, Envy Pest Control are RSPH qualified pest technicians providing essential pest and vermin services for both domestic and commercial customers. Covering every corner of Kent and the surrounding regions, we work with businesses such as hotels, guest houses, office blocks, government buildings, restaurants, cafes, bars, warehouses, as well as private homeowners. From one-off jobs to regular contracts, we'll work with you to ensure your needs are catered for. Whether you need a wasp nest treated and removed, rats located and removed, pigeon and seagull deterrents installed, or a cockroach treatment, we can help, and we provide a fast response at great prices. Fed up with bird droppings spoiling your property? Leave this dirty work to our team and we'll leave your property fresh and clean again. We'll take it from this to this. No more blocked gutters, drain pipes or awful smells. Are pigeons living under your solar panels? No problem. We're one of Kent's leading solar panel proofing companies. Our expert team will make sure your problem's gone by installing our solar panel proofing before the infestation gets out of control. We've helped hundreds of customers and have received many reviews on Facebook, Google and Yelp, and we're so confident in our installations that you'll be offered a 5-year guarantee. So if you're looking for a knowledgeable and professional pest control team who can help with your issues, look no further than Envy Pest Control, Kent's leading pest and vermin control company for domestic and commercial properties. Call us on the numbers on screen or visit us on the website to find out more about our services or make an inquiry.